So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can record 4K videos using the front camera. See, it's always been a feature of the rear cameras and you can always shoot 4K videos with the rear cameras. But the front camera, so the camera that records you, it was not 4K like earlier on. But with the advent of new smartphones, especially the Samsung series, this is now very easily possible. And even on the budget series, like this is the F41 out here, this is possible. Something like as a M51, which is medium budget, I would say, because this is still to the tune of 20 or 1000 rupees. And M31s, which on sale was available for around 18,000 rupees. Well, these are all phones which now support like 4K video recording even with the front cameras. So kind of let's check this. So this is basically like the M31 here out here. So I will just put it on focus. I will just show it to you. So this is basically the camera here. And then like you go to this, not here, you go to the settings. Inside the settings, what you need to then do is you need to select the front video resolution size. And you will see that you have this option of UHD. So you can select that. So earlier this was not there. Earlier it was just to like, FHD and HD. What I mean is like if you recollect, so this is a M30s here. And I will just go to the camera and I will just show you. So this camera out here, like if you see the front video did not have earlier, it was not having this. So this is how you do doing it with like say be it M31s or be it Galaxy M51. Now both of those cameras actually, I mean this one especially has a Sony processor, I mean Sony sensor, sorry, and it's really great. The photos are marvelous. So again, this here, the front video, you will see you have this option of making it 4K. So it's just selected to the proper resolution. And again in F41, which is to budget smartphone and still quite brilliant. And if I can just go to the camera and like show it to you. So you go to the video and go to the settings. And then again, the front video you can see is you can customize this to 4K. And I mean, presently it's at FHD, you need to customize it like this. And then like how you would be normally recording yourself. So you can do that. So what you need to do is, this is anyways the rear camera. So you see something that's in front of it. But if you use the front camera, so you just need to switch it like this. And then basically now this is the front camera that's recording, but it's recording now in 4K. And the best part about F41 is that it still has the switch recording, which means that while it's recording, you can like pause the camera, you can switch and then again like record or pause. This is something which was made available even in like M51, but it was not, sorry, it was made available in M31s but not in M51. So even here, like when you kind of start recording, so like you have this option of switching between recording, switching between the cameras. So you can like pause the video, you can switch the front camera, and then like again when you think it's time, you can put the record, then again like pause it, then again switch the camera. So this is something that's available on M31s and it's also available now on F41. So anyways, this was what I wanted to show about recording 4K videos with the front cameras. And as you can see, like almost all new series of Samsung is kind of supporting this, which is marvelous, I feel. So in case you are thinking of buying a smartphone which needs to have 4K front camera video recording, well, I believe with all new Samsung phones, you get that feature. So that's all for today, guys. I showed you with F41, M51, M31s. M30 unfortunately didn't have that. M30s may have, I have not tested that as of now. But likewise, if you want me to test any feature on any device or compare devices, just let us know in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to try it out. Maybe compare devices with the feature that you want, or maybe expound upon a certain feature that you want us to demonstrate. So that's all from my side. I look forward to see you on the next one.